Sis is living her best life, okay? Hi dolls, welcome back to another video, and if you're new here, I'm Jaelyn Dae. Welcome to my channel. So as you can see in the title, I'm doing another full get ready with me. I'm gonna be doing my hair, my makeup, and finding an outfit for tonight. Tonight I'm going to dinner, okay? I'm being taken out to dinner. Sis is living her best life, okay? And I also have a sponsorship for this video for my hair, so make sure you read the descriptions and check that out as well. But I'm not gonna do all this talking. I'm gonna just get straight into the video. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, this hair, this everything, and make sure you just keep on watching. So y'all, look at my hair. This is not okay because I don't want my hair to get matted. It's really dirty. But anyways, hold on, because my lips always dry. I'm gonna put some of this on. I don't know where my lip chef at. But y'all, I'm about to get ready. I'm about to do my hair. I don't know what style I'm gonna do with this wig, but I'm just gonna install it first, and I'm gonna just see what style I want to do because I really don't know. I really don't. But first, I want to show y'all what they gave me in my box that I received. So let me show you guys what's inside my box. This wig cap is inside my box, which is what I'm about to use now. This cute little satin bag. I love these bags because I actually put my wigs in these bags when I'm done. A comb. Definitely needed that, y'all, because I ordered a pack of combs and they so cheap the ends keep breaking. Some earrings. Okay. Period. And some lashes. They've been really doing good with the lashes, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all know when we used to get the hair, it just be like these little scrimpy lashes. They done stepped their game up with some fluff. So I'm about to just put this cap on really quick, and then I'm gonna be back. So we're going on a date, and we're going to James Harden restaurant. I think it's called 13. He actually been reserved us a seat, a table or something. I don't know, y'all. When we tried to go, like, the reservations was booked 2 months or so in advance, and the day came, and y'all, I was not ready. So this is why I gotta do my wig real quick. Just do a little something to my hair. rushing me. It's almost time to go to dinner, so I need to get done right now. I had did an updated kind of makeup tutorial already, but I'm gonna do another one for y'all. I'm always doing something different with my makeup. Like, I just be trying to learn different stuff. Whatever I like, I just start doing. But I just always do a simple look. I don't think I'm gonna do no eyeshadow or nothing. I'm literally just gonna do a quick beat. But I really do need to I really do want to learn how to do like bold eyeshadow and stuff like that. I've been watching this show called Glow Up on Netflix. Please go watch it because it's good. It really makes me feel like I'm an MUA or something and I can do all that. Y'all just gotta go watch and know what I'm talking about. I really don't know what I'm wearing. Like, please help me. I have no idea. I'm really sleepy. Like, I really just want to stay in and watch movies. I can't talk to y'all and like be trying to hurry up on my makeup, so I'm gonna just let y'all watch and then I'm gonna get back with y'all when I'm done.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dolls that I grew beside, all the niggas round me, right and they die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one on really, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in an
AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right and right. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Yeah.
Okay, wait. This is not working for me right now. I just have a whole bunch of black. Like, where's all the brown liners? I do not know where my stuff is, y'all. I think I'm just gonna have to go with clear lip gloss. My lips are kind of like dark anyway, so actually that worked. I'm done with my makeup. These lashes are from my boutique. This is Style Bougie. So now it's time for me to get dressed. I have no idea what I'm wearing. Time is ticking. I literally have 15 minutes to be ready. 15 minutes to be ready. I'll be back. He's outside waiting on me. I took so long to get ready because I didn't know what to wear. So I have my YSL bag, and then I'm wearing my little JBW watch with this little simple necklace. This cute silk type of dress. Here are the heels. They're these cute Steve Madden heels. These are so cute with the little feathers at the end. Okay. My dog is like flipping over herself right now. I gotta go. So anyways, yeah, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, follow me on Instagram and all that good stuff, and I will see you guys in the next video.